If your job feels like a puzzle, let's piece together the Labour Act 2017 of Nepal. First up, employment contracts. Every worker must have a written contract outlining terms and conditions. The Act does not endorse hire and fire like in some other jurisdictions. Notice periods and compensation are clearly defined. Grounds for termination, redundancy, poor performance and misconduct are specified reasons. Severance pay. Employees with over a year of service are entitled to it. Protection against unfair dismissal. Mechanisms are in place to contest wrongful terminations. Job security during restructuring. Procedures protect employees during organizational changes. Protections for vulnerable workers, maternity, disability and illness protections are included. Rights to resignation. Workers can resign voluntarily with proper notice. Grievance redressal, clear procedures for filing complaints and seeking justice. The Labour Act 2017 ensures job security while balancing employer flexibility. These provisions enhance the overall job security framework in Nepal. Got it? Great. Now go crush it at work. The Labour Act 2017 of Nepal outlines key provisions regarding the terms and conditions of work, aiming to protect workers' rights and ensure fair labour practices. This act covers a wide range of employment-related issues, including wages, working hours, benefits, termination conditions, and health and safety standards. Below are the core provisions regarding the terms and conditions of work under this Act employment contracts. Every employer must provide an employment contract in writing, detailing the nature of the work, wages, working hours, and any additional benefits. The contract should specify whether the employment is permanent, temporary, or part-time, and must clearly outline responsibilities, duties, and working conditions. Wages and benefits. The Act mandates a minimum wage for all workers, which is periodically revised. Employers must pay wages regularly, and any delayed payment can lead to legal penalties. Overtime must be compensated at 1.5 times the regular wage. Various allowances and benefits, such as transportation, meals, bonuses, provident funds, and gratuity, are also covered. Working hours and overtime. The Act establishes a standard of 8 working hours per day and 48 hours per week. Overtime work is voluntary and should not exceed 4 hours per day or 24 hours per week, compensated at 150% of the regular wage. Employees are entitled to 30 minutes of rest after 5 hours of continuous work and 1 full day off per week. Leave and holidays. Workers are entitled to 18 days of paid annual leave after 1 year of service, 12 days of paid sick leave annually, paid leave on public holidays, 60 days of paid maternity leave for female employees, and 15 days of paid paternity leave for male employees. Health, safety, and welfare. Employers must provide a safe working environment and ensure employees are protected from workplace hazards. The Act requires proper health and safety protocols, including fire safety measures, protective equipment, and sanitary working conditions. Employers must also provide medical insurance and compensation for workplace accidents or occupational diseases, equal opportunity and non-discrimination. The Labour Act prohibits discrimination based on gender, caste, ethnicity, religion, or political affiliation, ensuring equal opportunities in hiring, promotion, and benefits. Women and marginalised groups are particularly protected against discriminatory practices, termination and resignation. The Act outlines specific conditions for termination, requiring proper procedures such as prior notice or compensation. Employees are entitled to severance pay based on length of service. Employees can resign with prior notice, typically 1 month, with some flexibility if both parties agree. Social security contributions. Both employers and employees must contribute to the Social Security Fund, providing benefits related to medical care, pensions, unemployment benefits, and other social security measures. Disciplinary actions. Employers can take disciplinary actions for misconduct, absenteeism, or failure to perform duties, but actions must be proportional and follow due process. Employees have the right to appeal disciplinary actions, dispute, resolution, and grievances. The Act provides mechanisms for handling disputes, encouraging resolution through mediation or arbitration before escalating to court. Workers can file grievances with a labour court or seek assistance through trade unions or labour representatives. The Labour Act 2017 aims to balance the interests of employers and employees by providing clear guidelines on the terms and conditions of work. It promotes fair wages, reasonable working hours, safe working environments, and job security while ensuring efficient workforce management. By protecting workers' rights and promoting fair labour practices, the Act seeks to improve the overall quality of work life in Nepal.